dental hygienist here at Dentistry by the Bay, and I'm going to talk to you about how we can use our dental laser to improve your oral health. So 75% of people have some form of gum disease, whether it be bleeding, inflammation, and periodontal disease. And we know that long-term inflammation in the body is bad, and in the mouth it can lead to bone loss, which can lead to tooth loss. And the mouth is the opening for the rest of your body. So the bacteria can go in your body and it can affect your heart, your brain, it can affect many things. So if you're at your dental hygienist or dentist appointment and they tell you you have bleeding, inflammation, or periodontal disease, I strongly recommend that you consider using the laser as part of your hygiene therapy. I've been using the laser for 16 years and I've seen amazing results. It's a non-invasive way to treat gum disease, meaning you don't feel it when we're using it on you. And so what we do is we take the laser and we sweep it around the gums, and what the light does is it kills microscopic bacteria deep under the gums, kills bacteria in hard to reach areas. It reduces inflammation, it reduces bleeding, it improves circulation, it increases collagen. So it's a really effective way at healing gum infection and treating gum disease. So if you're interested in hearing anything more or asking us any questions on how we can incorporate this as part of your routine care. So the dental laser is an extra cost of $58. Some insurances do recognize it, so we can always send an estimate to your insurance. And the cost reflects whether we do one infected area or the entire mouth. And we usually do the entire mouth in one appointment. The whole procedure takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The great thing about the laser is you feel no discomfort during the procedure at all. You might feel a little bit of warmth, but that's it. There's no contraindications and nothing to worry about after the appointment as well. We can also use the dental laser if you have any cold sores or cankers. It's a very effective way to speed up the healing.